Hey guys, hope you're well and welcome to this commission showcase video. We have a real treat for you today, some awesome Ultramarines. We've got a captain and 10 tactical Marines. Really lovely models that Ed has painted here at Siege. And if you're new to the Siege Studios YouTube channel, then firstly, welcome. Siege Studios is a UK-based premium commission miniature painting service with 28 painters who all paint from our minimum standard, which is our bronze level and above tabletop level, all the way up to platinum, which is our competition entry quality here at Siege. If you are interested in a quote, very simply, all you need to do is in the description of this video, there's a link that says get a quote. Click on that link. It takes you directly to the Siege Studios website and our contact form. On that contact form, once you're there, select the relevant drop-down options from those available for your project. And then also in the message section, include a list of models in our model list format, which is shown on that contact form, and fire that off to us. You'll get a quote in return and we can get the process started. We're back in a second to have a look at these awesome Ultramarines in more detail. See you guys back in a sec. Without further ado, let's dive in and have a look at these awesome Ultramarines. We've got some timeless models in this force, obviously the tactical Marines, and then also we have a really cool captain as well in all his Ultramarine regalia. We're going to leave the cherry on the cake to a last and have a look at the captain last. So we're going to go through the tactical Marines. Again, really cool timeless kit. There's really lots of extra little details and bits and bobs, as you can see on these tactical Marines, the purity seals and little sort of bullets and things that are hanging down from the guns. But you know, the newest tactical kit that has come out has got lots of little extras, and our client has asked that we put like extra pouches and things on them as well. So as you can see, Ed's done a stellar job just adding all those in. Painted to our silver level here at Siege, so you've got a lovely finish on all of these models. Every little detail finally picked out with super crisp highlighting, as you can see here. Again, really cool. So that's just one of the tactical Marines. Going to go pull forward a selection of them. I won't pull them all forward because obviously they are all very the same in the sense of obviously the troop unit of the Space Marine faction. This guy's just reloading. Looks like he's firing off his last shot before slamming another magazine in, which is really cool. And then obviously some extra little purity seals and things, all with the text and everything written on there as well in lovely delicate fashion as well, which is really nice. And just move through the units here a little bit just so you can see them all. Really cool models. Still, personally for me, I absolutely love the tactical Marine. I think it's a great kit. Lots of flexibility for modelling perspective and also posing as well, which is you know, really important for me. So that's just the 5 tactical Marines on the right of the force. And then we'll move over here to some of the sort of special and heavy weapons. Obviously, we've got the missile launcher here, as you can see, with purity seals, extra little chevrons and bits and bobs all added to him. Lots of sort of purity seals with kill marks, undoubtedly. All the buttons and dials all painted as well, just to pick out every little detail on these awesome models. So that's just the missile launcher. You can see the little lights and lenses all there painted as well. And then moving around every little lens on the side of the missile launcher and also at the front. Everything all done in a very crisp, super fine fashion. And then we'll look at the plasma gun here. Now, this is magnetized, just so it's interchangeable. All the other options are available, so the flamer and the melter and the grav as well, they're available. But you can see Ed's done a stellar job on all the highlighting on that plasma coil there, plus the lenses and everything else that you'd expect on these really pristine Ultramarines here. Little purity seals there on the back with all text, extra grenades and things as well, which is really nice. And then we'll pull forward the Sergeant so you can have a look at him. Again, it's the standout red helmet as you'd expect. Obviously, Ultra written there on the pad. You've got obviously a couple of little extra bits and bobs, for example, just to distinguish him as a Sergeant, little kill marks and things, grenades, pouches, all those bits and bobs. Complementary red helmet, obviously, and then green lenses as well to complement that red, with a point of light source and blending in those lenses as well. And then we've got the 2 extra tactical Marines that come with that squad as well, just so you can see here, all finished in the same consistency throughout from model to model. So you can pull one model out of a unit, mix it in with another, and it matches perfectly. So this is just the last tactical Marine here, as you can see. And then let's have a look at the piece de la resistance, which is the captain. Ed's done a phenomenal job of painting this captain to our gold level here, with lots of non-metallic metal on the banner, as you can see there, all little bits of NMM on the cape here. Everything super finely, crisply painted to a very high standard. You've got multiple areas of highlighting on all the armour, extra details, the head crest, every gem. You've got text on the sort of little purity seal there on the gun as well, which is just really nice. All the little areas of extra details you'd expect, all done to a super high standard. And then moving around the back, you've got this lovely cape here with all the deep contrast and shading on all the relevant areas. Again, lovely finish on all of the little bits and bobs of extra little details, like little gems in the middle of the pack on the Terminatus crux. And then we've also got the nice filigree here on the outside of the cape that's done in non-metallic metal. Lovely metallic blended sword here as well, which is really cool, with a lovely subtle glow on the power node. All the little areas of text all written on the purity seals and also on the scrolls on the on the shoulder guard there, as you can see, and I've got that lovely head crest as well, and Ultra written there on that banner as well. But overall, a very, very lovely finished model to a super high standard to lead this small Ultramarine force. I do hope you like it, guys. We're back in a second to have a look at all these guys in an overall shot again, and you can find out how to take out a commission with us here at Siege in the next section, so stick around. So thanks for watching the video, guys. I really appreciate it ever so much. I do hope you've liked these awesome Ultramarines that Ed has completed for our clients. Some really cool and timeless models. If you are interested in a commission, be it a character, small force or army, then all you need to do very simply, in the description of this video, there is a link that says get a quote. Click on that link. It takes you directly to the Siege Studios website. On that website, obviously, you've got a contact form, which the link will take you to. Select the drop-down options from those available that are preferred and best for your army and or for a project. And then also in the message section, include a list of models in our model list format. Fire that off to us. You'll get a quote back from us and we can start the process. If you are also interested, then all of the links to our social media, so Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, can be found below in the description of this video. If you can go give us a like or follow respective on those, it would really be appreciated by all of us here at Siege. And also you can keep up to date with everything that goes on. And finally, while you're here on YouTube, a couple of things. Firstly, subscribe to the channel if you're not a new subscriber, and then also hit the bell icon so you can be updated whenever we put new content up. And if you do like Ultramarines, then let us know in the comments. And if you don't like Ultramarines, then also let us. It'd be good to see what your favourite chapter is or force from the 40k universe. We do like talking to you in the comments. Thanks again for watching. I do hope to see you guys very soon on the next video. Look after yourselves. Take care. Bye-bye.
I want to make sure that you guys have an accessible way to get hold of skills and new techniques and develop yourselves as painters. And that's it really, guys. So thank you very much, and we hope you'll join us on Patreon.